Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren flags off Sangay Run, appeals people to participate in the major events of the state despite various issues in the state. Union Minister of State Prahlad Singh Patil says boycott of Sangay Festival is a shame in front of tourists, appeals people to promote peace and tourism by participating in the festival. And Chief Minister M. Biren welcomes ambassadors and high commissioners from other countries who arrived to participate in Sangay Festival 2019, which will kick off this afternoon. Hello and welcome to Impact News, watching Sunday afternoon news. I'm Kangusam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Chief Minister Nongthoman Biren flag off Sangay Run, the half marathon event held as a part of Manipur Sangay Festival 2019 today. YAS Minister led by Hawkip and other many eminent persons attended the event organized by Department of Youth Affairs and Sports Manipur at Kumantlampak Sports Complex. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren urged people to take part in the acclaimed events of the state despite various issues in the state. Responding to media query regarding Naga peace talks, Chief Minister Biren said that he has met with the representatives of Kokomi last night. He asserted that Union Home Minister Amit Shah's invitation to meet with leaders of civil society organization has been given to the representatives of Kokomi. Mentioning the recent bombing attacks on security personnel in the Imphal city, and Biren said that he has already notified the DZ to take up stringent measures. He assured of naming those involved in the misconducts at the earliest. Altogether, 535 men and women from across the state participated in Sangay Run event. In men's category of Sangay Run, Mohammed Sadiq of LSA Lilong bagged first position and received a cash award of 10,000 rupees and a certificate, while Mohammed Abdul Razak of SAA Sora secured second position and received a cash award of 7,000 rupees and a certificate, and CH Wingonglo of NSU Manipur bagged third position and received a cash award of 5,000 rupees and a certificate. In women's category, T. Rushia, Anjana Kumantem and Saida Anita bagged the first top three positions and got a cash award of 10,000 rupees, 7,000 and 5,000 along with the certificates. 4 to 10 position holders of the event were given cash award of 1,000 rupees and a certificate each.
Manipur state indigenous population Sayolum de Maga, Mitaran, Maga, Happy Diffaba, Air Coshmina, Sunda Port and Lena, Pamamodore. But up to the Nugang to have a place, foreign the game, Egypt taking the palm and have like something in Hava. Egypt taking the palm Sangai festivals, young number one of the tiny Sangamani Pocha Purga, one of them. I don't know, sometimes I get Habamato to the Migi Hani one.
Knowing the importance of the Manipur state, aduga CSO singi public ki leiriba grievances to khangbirakanda matam pibire aduna ngarang ekoi nungdang kokomi gi chilno mayam go so koi cabinet minister singu kunna wari gotai sanare moi de koi formal invitation so pigre foreign country dagi mi yam lai ekoi Singapore dagi Laos dagi Egypt dagi adagi Indonesia dagi kari dagi mayam malaga
Union Minister of State Prahlad Singh Patil appealed to people of Manipur to take part in the renowned Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 to promote peace and tourism in the state instead of boycotting the festival as it is embarrassing in front of the people coming from other states of the country and foreign countries. The Union Minister arrived in the state to launch International Tourism Mart 2019, which commenced yesterday. Speaking to media at Hotel Imphal today, Prahlad Singh Patil said that Atal Bihari Vajpayee took a keen interest in the Northeast states during his reign as the Prime Minister. He asserted that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also initiated several efforts for the welfare of the Northeast states, including to provide railway facility in the state latest by 2020. He assured to make efforts to boost and enhance tourism in the state, considering the plea made by Rajdat from various parts of Southeast Asia, urging to make Manipur the best destination of the gateway of India. The Union Minister also said that it is the pride moment of the state that tourists visiting to state part in International Tourism Mart has increased by 47% this year as compared to International Tourism Mart 2016.
कि सभी को यहाँ पर शांति के बारे में विचार करना चाहिए। जैसे संगाई फेस्टिवल है, वो तो आपकी आइडेंटिटी है। आपके मतभेद भी हों तब भी ऐसे कार्यक्रमों को कभी नहीं रोकना चाहिए। जहाँ देश के और दुनिया के लोग, वहाँ तो हमको वातावरण अनुकूल बनाने की कोशिश करनी चाहिए, तो आपका भला है। लोग नहीं आएंगे तो आपका कोई भला होने वाला नहीं है। और दूसरी बात मैं कहूँगा कि सरकार में गृह मंत्री ने साफ शब्दों में कहा है, आपका विश्वास न करना मुझे आश्चर्य व्यक्त करता है। होम मिनिस्टर के बयान के बाद में कोई किसी भी प्रकार का अविश्वास हमारे मन में नहीं होना चाहिए, ये मैं कहूँगा। तो पिछले साल की तुलना में वो 3% ज़्यादा था, लेकिन फॉरेन टूरिस्ट जो था वो 47% उसने इंक्रीज किया है। और इस बात के लिए मणिपुर के लोग या नॉर्थ ईस्ट के जो लोग हैं, उन्हें जो सकारात्मकता, जो पॉजिटिवनेस उनके भीतर आई है और जो उसका परिणाम है कि जो वातावरण आपने बनाया, ये उसका परिणाम है। और यही मणिपुर और नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए गेटवे ऑफ इंडिया जैसा होगा साउथ ईस्ट एशिया का। ये बात मैं चुनाव के पहले भी बोलता था। मुझे लगता है इसके लिए सबसे ज़रूरी चीज़ है कि हम पीस को कायम करें। डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन हो सकते हैं हमारे, लेकिन हम अगर शांति बनाकर रखेंगे तो एक बात मैं विश्वास के साथ कह सकता हूँ कि आपके कल्चर को देखने के लिए पूरे देश के लोग, पूरी दुनिया के लोग लालायत हैं। ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो कभी दुनिया ने देखी नहीं, वो आपके पास में हैं। साउथ ईस्ट एशिया के आज जो राजदूत आए हैं यहाँ पर, उनके कारण भी अब हम सबको इस बात को स्वीकार करना चाहिए कि वो चाहते हैं कि जो बेस्ट डेस्टिनेशन है उनसे हमारा कम्युनिकेशन प्रॉपर हो, और सरकार इस बात के लिए गंभीर भी है और प्रतिबद्ध भी है।
Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren accorded warm welcome and presented gifts to the ambassador and high commissioners from other countries who arrived to participate in Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 during an event held at Chief Minister's Secretariat this morning. And Biren appreciated the guests for coming, and the ambassadors and high commissioners also thanked him. It may be mentioned that ambassadors and high commissioners from Brunei, Darussalam, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, DPR, Malaysia, Myanmar, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam came to participate in Sangai Festival 2019. Works Minister Thongam Biswajit appealed people not to follow ill plans of some specific groups during controversies. He was speaking on the sidelines of inaugurating a hold of Common Fencing Academy at Common Zone 4 in Imphal East today. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Biswajit expressed firm belief that the academy will produce various efficient fencing players in future. Maintaining that the academy was constructed from MLA Local Area Fund, he asserted that the fund belongs to people and not to local MLA. Minister Biswajit further assured to take up appropriate initiatives for better road conditions, water supply and sports facilities in Tongzu in the upcoming days too. Imphal is Deputy Commissioner Rangita Bali, Wycombe and many eminent persons attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯒ꯭ꯔꯨꯞ ꯈꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯛꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯨꯝꯅꯃꯛꯇ ꯆꯠꯂꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯤꯡꯉꯣꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯆꯠꯊꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯐꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯊꯤꯡ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯣꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯦꯅꯤꯕꯣꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯀꯌꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯣꯛꯄꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯁꯣꯛꯁꯨ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇ ꯏꯁꯨ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯏꯜꯂꯒ ꯆꯠꯄꯗꯣ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯒꯅꯣꯕ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯏꯁꯨꯗꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯌꯣꯕ.
Residents of Thangmeiban, along with club members of Thangmeiban Improvement Club TIC, carried out protest demonstration at the club against the recent bomb explosion by unknown miscreants at the club. Taking part in the protest at the club, one protester, Tamila Moirang Tem, strongly condemned the incident. She demanded clarification of the incident and appealed not to repeat such irresponsible act again in future.
ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯔꯩꯀꯥꯏ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯁꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯝ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯝꯃꯤꯕ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯁꯤꯃꯛꯇꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯅꯣ ꯈꯪꯗꯕ ꯃꯈꯩ ꯕꯣꯝ ꯄꯣꯈꯥꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯄꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯉꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯃ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯅ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯕꯣꯝ ꯄꯣꯈꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯀꯅꯥꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯃꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯦꯛ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪꯗꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯗꯣꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯍꯜ ꯂꯃꯟ ꯅꯨꯄꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯀꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯇꯨꯖꯨꯡꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯄꯣꯛꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯙꯔꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯐꯝꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Members of Little Flower School Students Transporters Union carried out protest demonstration against disintegration of Manipur in front of Little Flower School Gate in Imphal West District today. Various placards were displayed during the protest. Narankonzin Coordination Club NCC also carried out alert protest rally at Narankonzin in Imphal West against disintegration of Manipur by the finalization of Naga Peace Talk yesterday. Members of Club Ideal Youth Club, Sunflower Club, Narankonzin Sports Club, and all Narankonzin Merapai Biluk took part in the rally. Various slogans were chanted during the rally. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Sarah Mangi Singh Memorial Award being conferred upon editor of Impact News, Rasnong Thumbom. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. After the break, you're watching Sunday Afternoon News. President of Sarah Mangi Singh Foundation, S. Lalita, conferred upon Sarah Mangi Singh Memorial Award to the editor of Impact News, Rasnong Thumbom, during an event at the shrine of Ibudong Marsing in Hengang today. The award was presented as an acknowledgement for his tremendous role in the field of journalism. It may be recalled that Sarah Mangi cracked the Indian Information Service examination and served as an editor of All India Radio Info. He passed away due to an illness in 2012. Serving as the first General Secretary of AMSU, he took major roles in students' movement and also wrote various poems and song books. Speaking on the occasion, General Secretary of the Foundation, S. Nekil, said that following the steps of S. Mangi, commendable persons in various fields are being honored since 2013. He asserted that the award is dedicated to the unsung aged person despite youths which remained ardent and faithful to their work. Speaking on the occasion, editor of Impact News, Rasnong Thumbom, dedicated the award to the aspiring young journalist of the state and further assured to strive to be a part of the vast changing journalism aspects in the world.
Sarah Mangi Singh Memorial Award na award amakak akoigi piba masina tongan field da any kano da kuna art da culture da politics da sports da any field amada journalism da sumaina khankat laga sahi amagi award ama piba masi award sigi pandandi akoina anoba young talent sing adagi atopa senior ahal loiragasu mayamna akoigi deserve ti tawraga फंक्शनता बादुम हंसु मैम ले सिगुम से अखोइना एनकरेज तौबा अमदी ऑनर तौबगी एम दुदा ऑब्जेक्टिव दुदा अखोइना खनगलगा मसी अवार्ड से पीरसी हाइदना कोई अवार्ड रिकमेंडेशन कमिटी में सेमगा माइ तौदना होगिबनी
30-minute drama film named Imphal 1944 was screened at JM Hall today. The film tells the true story of a war veteran who comes to London for reconciliation between the British and the Japanese who fought in the Battle of Imphal in 1944. Former VC Professor Hizam Tombi, director of the film, Junichi Kazioka from Japan, and Japanese renowned singer Chizuru Onoyama, Chief Engineer PWD Nongmaitem Norin, former director of Manipur Police Wireless Moirangtem Rajendra were among those who graced the event. Sky Foundation Thobal Moizing Lamkai donated blankets to the elderly, differently abled and destitute person of Moizing Kekmont and Kiam Leitampok in Thobal district today. President of Sky Foundation Muhammad Amir Hussain and Secretary Muhammad Abdul Nur attended the event sponsored by social worker Abdul Razak. Chief of National Congress Party NCP Sarad Pawar clarified that the decision of going with BJP to form the government in the state was of his nephew Azid Pawar. NCP held an over 3-hour meeting of its MLAs yesterday. At the party's closed-door meeting, NCP removed Azid Pawar from the post of the leader of legislative party. The MLAs who had allegedly defected along with Azid Pawar and extended support BJP to form government also attended the meeting. 50 MLAs of the total 54 party MLAs reportedly attended the meeting. However, Azid Pawar was not present at the meeting. President's rule was imposed in the state on 12th of this month after political stalemate continued over government formation following the announcement of assembly polls results last month. The BJP had emerged as the single largest party with 105 seats in the 288-member assembly, while Sip Sena got 56 seats, NCP won 54, and Congress secured 44 seats. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthaman Biren flags of Sangay Rand appeals people to participate in the major events of the state despite various issues in the state. Union Minister of State Prahlad Singh Patil says boycott of Sangay Festival is a shame in front of tourists, appeals people to promote peace and tourism by participating in the festival. And Chief Minister Biren welcomes ambassador and high commissioners from other countries who arrived to participate in Sangay Festival 2019, which will kick off this afternoon.